Allá no hay pollatas allá, ¿verdad?
Jesus Rivas is a man on a mission to save the Orinoco crocodile from extinction. He's agreed to take Gianni along as they try to track down the largest predator in all of South America.
There's one right there.
As luck would have it, Jesus spots the large female croc they've been looking for. He's tracked this one for years and cannot afford to lose her to poachers. She needs to be relocated to a more isolated area.
She's right there.
Oh, yeah, there she is.
Oh, she's fat.
She's big.
She's nice, she's beautiful. I released this girl in 2001.
Hey!
She remembers me. She's beautiful. Oh, she's so nice. Look at this very healthy teeth, the fat neck that shows that it's very well fed, very healthy animal. Oh, I'm a happy parent.
The Orinoco crocodile has the most powerful bite on the planet. Its jaws can exert more than 2.5 times the crushing pressure of a wild hyena and over 5 times the force of a great white shark. Few people in their right mind would want to get within snapping distance of this jawbreaker, but Jesus has a job to do.
I released her in 2001, that's 6 years ago, and she was about 2 years, so that is 8. She's not that. Okay, fine. Let's be friends. I have your best interest at heart, my friend. Believe me. I'm gonna put the lasso wide, and when I'm in place, I'll give you a signal. You call her over. I'll use you as a bait.
Thank you.
Welcome. And when she goes through to get you, she will walk right through the lasso, and then I tighten it around her neck, and then we pull her out.
Here we go. See what happens. There we go.
No, I don't have it yet.
Whoa. Whoa.
Okay, let's pull her.
Pull her?
Yeah.
Okay.
Using one.
Sure.
Yeah. Try to pull her out. Pull her back. Pusio! Dame una mano ahí. We're about to lose her. Let's.
Whoa.
This
It broke.
snapped. I never had a croc give me that much trouble.
She's a brute. She snapped the metal cable off the lasso.
She's very strong.
Now begins the 1.5-mile journey to return the massive croc back to safe haven.
There we go.
That's the roll. It's about her beauty, her power, her character, but that's exactly her problem now.
She's putting quite a fight, huh?
Yeah.
She's under the boat.
Aguanta, Monsieur, aguanta. Don't pull at all. Aguanta, Monsieur. Wait, let go. Okay. I'm gonna drag her now to this flat beach. She's biting the snare. Con el impulso. 1, 2, 3. Otra. 1, 2, 3. Otra más. Ok, ahí está bien. Déjala ahí. El mecánico blanque.
Pesa, ¿eh? Ah, gorda.
I want to blind her before I go around her. El otro mecate. Ok, ahí la tengo. Okay, let's first get rid of the bad snare.
Okay.
The one that had me scared all this time. I was never forgiving myself. And look how what she did to it. Snapped it clean.
Now Jesus can safely perform his research that's critical to the survival of this croc and all her kind.
Yeah, let me have my saloon. I'm sorry, girl.
If he can prove that these animals are growing at a healthy rate and thriving in this area, Jesus will get closer to his ultimate goal: to get this part of northern Venezuela designated a wildlife reserve for the protection of the Orinoco crocodile.
Okay, we need to roll her over her back, onto her back, and she won't like that. She will wrestle. She doesn't like that. Mantén la derecha.
Even like this, she manages to outwit you guys.
Ruler. Ruler.
I got the ruler.
Do.
Aquí le aguanta.
Sit on her. Show her your weight. Ah, beautiful. 10 feet, 10 inches. I don't want the girl to suffer any longer, so we're gonna call it quits. This is a very important moment because we're gonna untie the rope around her. It's probably the most dangerous moment. Undo this now.
Okay, I got it.
Undo that rope.
Not really, not now. I'm more nervous about her.
Okay. You guys, you need to pay attention to the crocodile, and you guys pay attention, please.
Right.
Okay, the crocodile is loose.
Okay.
It's just being reminded of us by our weight. And on the count of 3, we all will jump away from her reach.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Good, nice.
Okay.
She's nice and tired, stay out of reach. There you go. Now she's all hair. She was a very tough cookie. I have wrangled animals a lot heavier than she is, and no one gave me nearly as much trouble. She's just got a tough heart. Go back, girl. Good girl. Nice, beautiful. That's what I like the most, to see them go back into the water. We released this animal 6 years ago. By measuring her now, we know how much she grew. The importance of getting all this data is because if this place proves to be good, because the animals put on weight well and survive and have babies, we can get this place to be declared as a reserve for the protection of the Orinoco crocodile.